नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम प्रणव मिश्रा है और आपका मेरे चैनल ऑफ बीट गुरुकुल पे स्वागत है। आजकल हम लोग जहाँ पे भी देखें हम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स ही नज़र आ रही हैं। ये प्रॉब्लम्स कई तरह की हो सकती हैं। कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स को मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ और कुछ को आज करूँगा। आजकल 7-8 साल के बच्चों को इतनी छोटी सी एज में चश्मे लग रहे हैं। किसी को लोअर बैक पेन हो रहा है तो किसी को अस्थमा। जो हमारा यूथ है वो देश के हित में सोचने के बजाय वो अपनी ही प्रॉब्लम्स में उलझ कर रह जा रहा है। तो क्या ऐसे बनेंगे हम आत्मनिर्भर? जो बात हम लोगों को छोटे से पढ़ाई जाती है और जो सच भी है कि यूथ इज द फ्यूचर ऑफ नेशन। आर वी स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू होल्ड द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज? एक बात मैं यहाँ बताना चाहूँगा कि अगर किसी बिल्डिंग की नींव ही कमज़ोर है तो वो बिल्डिंग कभी मजबूत नहीं बन पाएगी। ठीक उसी तरह अगर किसी नेशन का यूथ ही नहीं स्ट्रांग है तो वो नेशन कभी स्ट्रांग नेशन नहीं बन पाएगी। सो वी कैन बिकम स्ट्रांग बोथ फिजिकली एंड मेंटली बाय अडॉप्टिंग टू थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ. One is meditation and the second one is yoga. I have already talked about meditation in my first video, so if you haven't seen that video, first watch that video. I will link that video in the description box. Make sure you watch that video. So today I'm going to talk about yoga. The first question that comes into our mind is, what is yoga? So yoga means union. Yoga unifies us with our surroundings, environment, and ultimately with the creator and its creation. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हमारी लाइफ में जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति है वो हम और हमारा परिवार है। इसीलिए हम अपना पूरा ध्यान, पूरा समय अपना परिवार पे ही देते हैं और उसे आगे बढ़ाने में लग जाते हैं। परंतु वास्तव में हमारा परिवार हमारे सिर्फ माता, पिता, भाई बहन नहीं है, बल्कि पूरा समाज है। हमें अपने परिवार के साथ साथ अन्य लोगों पर, पशु, पक्षी, प्रकृति सभी पे ध्यान देना चाहिए और उनके प्रति जो हमारा कर्तव्य है उसको समझना चाहिए। So, the next question that comes into our mind is, why should I adopt yoga? What are the benefits of yoga? Though there are many of them, but I will mention few of them. So, number one, Oxford University shows that those who practice yoga have been found to have less stress and better sleep. National Institute of Health (NIH) has proven that yoga helps in muscular system, especially in lower back pain and asthma. Oxford University has also given a statement that stretching equals to happiness. WHO report shows that yoga is a valuable tool to increase physical activity and to decrease non-communicable disease. Yoga is classified in many types like Karma Yoga, Raj Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Mantra Yoga and Gyan Yoga. All these yoga have utmost importance in their particular domain. If one practices all these yoga in correct proportion, then they are bound to be successful in their life. So today I will talk about Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga leads to the perfection in body functions. Light and electricity is obtained by connecting two wires called positive and negative, and both these elements remain in human nature and they combine through Hatha Yoga. The combination of these two powers opens the door of creative power. So now I'm going to tell you 6 asanas that you should do daily for the betterment of your life. Before moving forward, I would like to mention one thing, that before practicing yoga, you should have a proper warm-up. You should have a proper warm-up. And you should perform every asana with closed eyes, as this helps you to feel every asana. So, the first one that comes into our list is Surya Namaskar. This exercise is as old as the Indian tradition itself. Our forefathers and sages have provided us with an exercise in the form of Surya Namaskar, which can be called a full body exercise. It is so scientific that it activates all the organs in the entire body and increases the blood circulation, which causes the body to get energized. Daily practice of Surya Namaskar develops our core strength and improves our immunity. Another great asana that comes into our list is pranayam. The biggest benefit from pranayam is that we develop a habit of taking long breaths, and it is proven that those who perform pranayam lives a long life. It also helps us bring balance and order to our long life. It calms down our mind and increases our mental alertness and critical thinking. The third one in the list is Gomukhasana. It has many benefits. The chests and lungs are strengthened and the base is self-cured. Indigestion and rheumatism are cured. All types of stomach pain and stiffness of shoulder are cured. So, the fourth one is Shashakasana. It is very beneficial for diseases of the stomach and liver. It also cures high BP and pain related to the spine. The fifth one is Sarvangasana. By performing Sarvangasana, all organs are exercised, blood is circulated in the whole body, and it maintains a certain level of heartbeat. The sixth one is Ustrasana. As we all know that 70% of our immunity belongs to the intestine. So Ustrasana cures all the diseases related to the stomach and intestines, and it eliminates constipation and makes the intestine strong. By performing this asana, the problems related to the gas and sore bleaching are cured, and the spinal cord never gets stiffness. I hope you will adopt these two techniques, meditation and yoga, to become the best personality of yourself. Okay, that's all for today. If you like the video, press the bell icon, share my video, like my video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram as Offbeat Gurukul. Till then, be happy, be safe and help others. Thank you.